How to add fingerprint in Touch ID on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Touch ID and Password. In Touch ID and Password, in Touch ID section, okay, you can see here the plus button here or Add Fingerprint button here. So okay, and the Touch ID lets you use fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchase with Apple Pay, iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Book. So okay, to add the fingerprint, you'll have to do is click the Add Fingerprint button here, and we need to enter your password. And after you enter the password, click the Unlock button, and now place your finger, let and rest your finger or Touch ID repeatedly. So I register this one finger, so I add another finger, so I use this left finger on the Touch ID button. Okay, cover Touch ID completely, so try to cover your finger, keep going to capture the edge of your fingerprint, and okay, your fingerprint can be used to unlock your Mac. So Touch ID is ready now. So after that, click Done button to save your fingerprint. So okay, I add another fingerprint, the finger 2. So that's it. Okay, we have successfully add fingerprint and Touch ID on MacBook Air.